Dear friends, welcome to YouTube channel and our Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. We have seen the Leptospirosis 1. Here we will see Leptospirosis Part 2. In this, we will discuss clinical findings in various domestic animals and its zoonotic importance and clinical findings in men and necropsy finding also. The leptospirosis manifests clinical signs in various forms. We'll see all this one by one. Per acute leptospirosis, mostly the young calves below 1 month of age is infected and characterized by high fever, rapid respiration, that is because of severe anemia, hemoglobinuria, and death of the calves. Another form is acute leptospirosis. In this, there is sudden onset of agalaxia in adult dairy cattle and sheep. There is estrus and hemoglobinuria young animals, meningitis, acute renal failure, and jaundice in dogs. Chronic form of leptospirosis, abortion occur in the form of abortion tomb. Large number of the animals abort in a several days. Stillbirth, retained placenta, weak offspring, infertility, chronic renal failure in cattle, jaundice in dog, and periodic ophthalmia and conjunctival infusion or suffusion in horses. There is persistent form also where the infection is in the animal for a very long time. In chronically infected animals, the organism persists in kidney and genital tract. Chronically infected animals carrying the infection for a life and become the reservoir of the infection. Science in dogs. This is the important for the dog practitioner in the cities. Incubation period very short to 20 days, 2 to 20 days. Decreased urine output, anuria, proteinuria, jaundiced sclera indicates hepatitis, vomission, fever, dysuria, and dark or brown colored urine, coughing, hemoptysis, there is blood in the cuff, dyspnea, and increase the respiratory rate because of anemia, meningitis, fatigue, hearing impairment, respiratory distress, azotemia, renal interstitial tubular necrosis, renal and liver failure in severe form of Wells disease. Now signs in cattle, almost similar signs are observed, little bit difference here and there. Those signs observed are mostly the kidney is affected, liver is affected, udder is affected, there is hemolysis. All these related symptoms are observed. In acute cases, the cattle is a reservoir for Serovar Leptospira harzo and type Leptospira harzo bovis, and it causes nephritis. So kidney is mostly involved in most of the animals. Leptospirosis is a septicemic in cows and lambs. There is a dyspnea, pulmonary congestion, icterus, hemoglobinemia, hemoglobinuria, which lasts for 48 to 72 hours. There is hemolytic anemia leading to death, and sometimes the recovered animal becomes normal in 7 to 10 days, and so it is named as 7 days fever. Synonym 7 days fever is because of this reason. The enzootic infection in adult cattle is also observed. Abnormal hemorrhagic milk, reddish milk in dairy cattle. There may be mastitis, may not be mastitis, but the blood is coming into the milk because of the damage to the blood vessels, capillaries. Mortality rate is high, 10 to 30%. Case fatality rate is also high, 5%. Abortion may reach up to 30%. That's why disease is causing abortion storm. In cattle, flabby back syndrome is observed. There is no inflammation of udder, but there is edema of the udder. Animal find difficulty in walking, and udder appear to be a hanging back. That's why it is called as flabby back. There is sudden drop of milk. There's a sudden drop milk syndrome. Somatic cell counts are 10 to 70%. Udder uniformly affected and resumes milk production in 10 to 14 days. So there may be mastitis, may not be mastitis. Leptospiruria, appearance of leptospira in urine, is present in up to 30% of the affected cows. In chronic cases, there is abortion and stillbirth is more common in 6 to 12 weeks of gestation. Abortion tomb in mid-term to the last term of the pregnancy. Disease has got the zoonotic importance. When the persons working in the rice field or sugarcane field, they put their leg into the water constantly for a long time. If there is injury to the skin, the leptospira enter the body, and infection generally through the skin contact. Infected water, food, soil contaminated with infected urine of the animal as well as urine of the rat. Spread of infection during convalescent period is rare. There is occupational hazard. So disease transmission is observed in swimmers when they swim in a stagnant water, and if the stagnant water is infected, slaughterhouse workers, infected animal, and when while performing the butchering, if there is injury on the hand, slaughterhouse workers may get infection. Similarly, veterinarians may also get infection. Butchers, sewage clearing persons, the farm workers, all these are at a risk, that is great occupational hazard. In pigs, not much signs, but mostly the abortion occurs in 2 to 4 weeks of pregnancy. Clinical signs in human beings: incubation period 4 to 14 days. Disease is biphasic in nature, so occur in two phases. First, there is symptom for 3 to 7 days, first phase. Then again after some time a second phase for 4 to 30 days. In the first phase there are flu-like signs: fever, chills, myalgia, intense headache, and the person may become asymptomatic. There is cure for a few days, normal, and the second phase appear. There is flu-like signs with muscle pain, abdominal pain, vomition, diarrhea, rashes on the skin, eyes become red, renal failure, meningitis, liver damage, jaundice, and highly lethal pulmonary hemorrhage. There is hypotension, irregular pulse, electrocardiogram reveals various types of arrhythmia, bleeding of vascular tubules, and there is decreased platelets, increased neck rigidity, and cells in the cerebrospinal fluid. Necropsy finding: the carcass is overall generalized pale in color. They are fed and full of yellow colored icteric carcass. Liver is affected, enlargement of liver, hepatitis. Kidney is affected, nephritis, placentitis, and the placenta leathery. Friends, you have observed the video. Please press like button if you like it. But you share to our veterinarian and do some social service. Please subscribe the video and thank you very much for observing this video.